Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun graduation gift card holder for you. This is my graduation Z-fold card. Isn't that cute with that little graduation owl on there, sitting on his little tree branch? And then you open up the card, and then that reveals a gift card holder. And I love how that branch just continues on throughout the whole band. And then on the back here, there is a spot for you to put your message. It's really simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password, but we're going to head to Enter the Library. You're going to want to type in the password and hit Enter, and then you'll be brought to all the files. You're going to want to look for number 124, the Graduation Z-Fold card. Click on this hyperlink and download the file onto your computer. Go ahead and unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Okay, now that we're in a new project in CRICUT Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto the computer and click Open, and then Upload. Highlight the image and then click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can head up to Ungroup, and we need to convert some of the score lines. So scroll down the Layers panel and you'll find the envelope. Highlight the score line, come up to Operation and change that to Score. Highlight the group and click Attach. We need to do this for the card base and then the band as well. So highlight the score line, come up to Operation and change that to Score. Highlight that group and click Attach. Now for the band, highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. Now for the pop-up portion, highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And the last one that we're going to change is the score lines on the gift card holder. Change those to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And then the last thing that we need to do is convert the sentiment layer. So we're going to scroll down and find the text that's right here. So highlight the text, come up to Operation, change that to Pen. You can change the color of your pen if you wish right here. Then highlight that group and click Attach. Okay, now we can go up to Make It. I'm selecting on the mat, 12 by 12, and clicking Continue. You'll see the different mats here. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm using a variety of medium cardstock, so I'm going to highlight that. Alright, I'm going to load everything into the machine and then get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's all done. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So I have all of my bits and pieces in my little tray here to keep everything nice and organized. Well, the best that I can anyway. So first thing, let's go ahead and fold up the card bases, and then we'll put the mats on those. So taking your main card base, you have the two score lines. So starting from the left to right, you're going to fold this one as a mountain fold and this one as a valley fold to create the Z shape. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. See? Go ahead and give that a burnish. For the band, you're going to fold the first one as a mountain fold and the second one as a valley fold to create that Z. And then go ahead and burnish. Now let's go ahead and talk about all of the different mats for these. So there is a mat for each one of these pieces on the band. You have a piece for each of the smaller sections on the card base, and then the larger portion. And then the last one is for the messaging panel for the back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and place all those down, so I'm going to speed up the video here just a little bit. Okay, so we have our cover panels on the band and on the card base. I went ahead and mat and layered the messaging panel and then attached that to the back of the card. Now we can attach the band to the card base. So this is how it's going to attach, just like this. Okay. I have said before, in other Z-fold cards, you can place the band wherever you wish. For this particular one, because of the design of the pop-up, I want you to make sure that it is flush with the bottom of the card base. Okay? So let's go ahead and add our adhesive. Just making sure that it lays flush all the way across. I'm going to flip that side up. Then fold it back down to adhere it. All right, there we go. I'll let that sit to the side so that it can dry. Now let's go ahead and glue up the pop-up portion. So this is the insert piece. We're just going to fold along the score lines. You can either do it forward or backward facing. I'm actually going to do it where they're facing the front, like this. Okay, set that to the side. Take your gift card holder, you're going to fold along the score lines. Go ahead and give every score line a nice burnish. Okay, now we're going to take our glue and add adhesive onto those tabs. I like to do the bottom one first, then fold the side flap over, Then put the adhesive on the side flap, and then fold the pocket shut. And then that creates our little gift card holder. Okay. Then this gets placed right on the insert piece. I'm going to go ahead and use my beacon for this one. And there we go. All right, let's set that to the side, let everything there dry. We can go ahead and mat and layer our sentiment. Okay, now we can go ahead and layer up our little owl. So you're going to layer the pieces from left to right. I'm also going to include a layering guide within the download for you to take a look at. That'll explain how to layer these different pieces together. So I'm going to go ahead and layer them together really quick. Okay, there is our little owl. Still have some glue smudged on there, sorry. Super cute. Let's set him to the side and let him dry. Now let's add our tree branches to the band. I have them cut up into 3 pieces. They're going to lay inside the cover panels. So here's the main branch, and then the second one goes like this, and then the third one like that. Okay, so go ahead and add those to the band, and then you can add your little leaves onto the little points on the branches. Okay, so there's our band. Okay, now before we do any other embellishments to the front of the card, let's add our pop-up piece. So we're going to add our adhesive to the outside of the tabs. And then you're going to place the insert into the card, making sure that it lines up on the bottom and on the sides. Just like that. Okay. Go ahead and fold the card to make sure that everything is where we want it to be. That is perfect. Now I'm going to add the different embellishments before we put on the owl. This larger graduation cap is supposed to go on the gift card holder. Add the sentiment here. Okay, that looks good. Let's put that to the side. I might want that again. Now to add our owl, fold the card the way that it's going to fold up in the envelope, and then take your owl, center him with the point here of the graduation cap with the fold from this first section of the card. Okay, and then you can put him down. We're only going to put glue on the side that's going to be touching the card base and then the band, not anywhere else. So I'm going to line up that point again right there. And give him a press. And there we go. He is sitting on the little tree branch. Open it up and there is our gift card holder and all of our little excitement from graduation day. Isn't this adorable? I just love the pop-up function of this card. It's so fun. I hope that you make it. If you do make it, make sure to share it in our Facebook group. We have lots of card making and paper crafting friends that would love to see your creations. There is a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!